in my face. So tired. But guys, I don't think I really ended the last vlog properly. I think it just got done because I stopped. There was a lot of stuff was happening. It was really cool. But anyway, welcome back to another vlog. This ain't gonna really be even the start of the vlog because I'm gonna sleep right now. I got my clothes ready over there because tonight we're going to Plaza. That's the name of an event we have tonight. So I'm gonna get some sleep. It's 9:45 p.m. right now, so I'm gonna sleep until like 11:20, bathe and get picked up because I'm not gonna drive. I want to get a little bit tipsy tonight. Catch you guys soon.
Cool.
My thing right now up on the side on the road. Wait for some other people real quick. We're supposed to meet up here at like 12 o'clock on the dot to reach us at like 12:40. Still not ready.
I'm ready a long time, this is how I got known.
Finally reach at the plaza. And I said, bombard, fresh cash. Fresh cash, I pass Cuban. The man them out. You see me, we just reached I call that place again, National Stadium. You see me, as always, Plaza, well live, whole heap of people. Whole heap of people at the Plaza, you know what I mean? But they are checking my thing. Like them well hot. Where's the one?
Everything alright.
Where they fun? Check in. Big salad to the Check in.
Don't do not test me, I will do it. Y'all know I will do it. Put it to my head. No, dog.
Yo, that piece man show half my bucket. Yo, a half my bucket to him. Share with somebody. I share the gun. No. Claude. I'm eating up fresh. We stop on some liquor real fast. Mother! What up for? What up for? What up for? Pull up on it! Yeah! Dress code! Nobody rinse it. Yeah, youths! Hello, guys. What do you mean? Yo, shirt wet. Dream weekend, man. I know now the thing shot. Don't know. Frost Garden! Check in! Check in! Level up, what's that? Yeah? Yeah? Just what if I did want to shoot in the bed, better. That song here, the whole of you weekend. That song is normal. I'm about to the day of I got it on the low. I'm in love with that coco. Are you fucking gone, babe?
You're just as fun.
Oh my god. Yo. Guys, like low key Judah Frost. Me like her body dead. Like a dead weight. They pretty much have to just carry what I passed all ago. Like we're supposed to go to Taboo, but like that's scrap that. Shannon dog. My side we just reach home. We just reach home and like Judah Frost. Yo, me Frost, you know me can't hold my liquor, you know. And Judah is Frost. Oh shit, seriously Nike? Guys, I can't show you the deeds, but Judah is Frost as hell. She's in the bathroom right now vomiting like crazy. And I'm the one who can't manage them liquor. But I stood firm and I got her right now. Just, yeah. Keep playing.
Because we just a person, you know, lose focus or crash.
That's why I never drive dog, cause my
People don't drink and drink. Nothing happens to Gabby. Nothing happens to nobody. But it's scary when you know say you're fast and you drive.
The first thing I tell Judah, I say Judah, tell him if you want to get tipsy, no I drive, none taxi I take. You see me?
Because they're mad at you. Have a tendency when you drunk, you drive fast.
Guys.
I think that's everybody.
So we're just here with Judah same way. She frost out. I can't really show you, but it's like I can't manage liquor, but like I was managing tonight.
Yo.
You know, she here.
Tommy.
So must have gone with her
You
till
know
she
original?
recuperates a little bit. My sister checking up on Tommy. Hey, don't die on me.
Yo, why you sound
She's
so?
moving.
Why you sound like you're frost?
I just really hope my friends
Yo,
get home.
dog, try reach home safe now. That man make me know me resurrect and see the blood clot.
That's why I never drive tonight, guys. Take a cab, 7 bills, no worth nothing compared to like big man thing. Whenever you guys gonna drink or go to plaza or whatever it is, you wanna make sure that listen me, I'm gonna try to do something cute. Yo, I can drive my car and act hype and all that shit, but I drive home. You never drive home, that's a first. But I take a cab, go home, 7 bills to come from stadium to my house. So. The funny thing is I have work at 8 o'clock.
You're still reading this vlog?
And it's 4 o'clock, so I have like 4 hours. But yeah. And that man say if she did ever go dream weekend. Brother, dog, what? Go for my vlog, go my vlog, and like people say dog, that was so fucking funny. Cause me I say some little crazy shit. Yeah, Martina, how you reach home? I don't know how many reach home, dog.
No, but you just said that you don't drink this one liter juice. So we drink about the same amount. I don't know if hers are stronger than mine.
Dog, me drink more than Judah.
But I'm pretty sure it's lighter than Judah. No lie.